Any young man can make $100,000 today. And that's not some fluff or something to super motivate you. That's just the honest truth. Because I did it, and I didn't start with any money, I didn't have any crazy head starts, or I didn't have any connections. I just learned one thing I don't think people have figured out: how to combine skill with leverage. And you can do it too. The reason why people don't usually get there is because they spend their time on the wrong thing. They stay broke because they spend the best part of their energy on the wrong things. Scrolling, gaming, and chasing short-term dopamine. They know they want more, but they don't actually know what more looks like. They're stuck in survival mode. They have no clarity, no systems, and not many skills they can put into action. Don't be stuck in that loop. You can expand over your 9 to 5 rat race. You can have a set time in the afternoon dedicated to developing a skill and pushing a new brand, pushing a new business or a new product or whatever it may be. You can make that time to benefit you in the future. I always think about being kind to my future self. So while you're doing any dopamine chasing activities, are you benefiting your future self? Are you being kind to your future self? And anything, your future bloodline, your future family and friends and loved ones and kids, most of all. Is what you're doing now going to benefit them in the future? There's a simple formula that changed my life. It's skills plus leverage equals income. If you're good at something people want and you can get it in front of enough people, you will make money. That's it. It doesn't matter if you're editing videos, writing emails, running ads, designing brands, flipping clothes, whatever it may be. If it solves a problem, you can scale it and you can win. For my own journey, I started with stickers. Literally, it was just stickers. I sold designs people liked, something nostalgic, people resonated with, and I learned how to market it to everyone. I used AI softwares like ChatGPT to help me with my copywriting and how to speed up a lot of my processes. I learned how to show up daily, and that itself built momentum with my consistency. And now I'm shy of hitting 200k mark just from selling my skill and pushing it out. So if you're serious about building your own thing and trying to make money so you can better yourself in the future, then I would start like this. Pick one skill, and only one skill, and try and let it resonate with something you're passionate about. That will help you push to great heights. Practice it daily. Whatever that skill may be, try and put in daily effort in order to grow it. And then start posting that work. Start putting it into videos, putting it into photos, finding a way to capture it and send it out to everyone. And then ask people if they would pay for it. Put systems in place for people to actually pay for that. Generate an audience that loves to watch you build your skill up. You use AI softwares to move faster, ways to clarify and organize the way you do things. That can help a lot. Show up online. The online space is always advancing, and that's where you need to be, because it's not going away. It's not going anywhere soon. While you're expanding your business and your service and your skills, keep your overhead quite low. You don't want to be overspending, and maintain your budget and costs. Staying in the game longer also helps. It's kind of boring advice, but it really does help. Most people fail because they quit at just 20%. You need to go to 80% and you're ahead of 95% of people. Keep pushing through and keep building that momentum. You don't need to be a genius. You just need to be consistent. Use the tools, pick the right game, play it long enough, and I promise, if you take it seriously, that 100k is not just possible, it's inevitable.